Before we start this video, I want you to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, click options or whatever you're on, click all and save, and then you'll join the X Alliance.
There you go.
Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get make custom keyboards. Also I'm giving a shout out to...
What's up?
Mason Bennett. His link will be down in the description below. And you just download this app called Cheetah Keyboard. You can go to the Play Store, go to like whatever to do to download it. After you download it, you click open. You can make an account, I guess. Do whatever. My account is
also
go to this DIY theme. You can customize them. You can do all this. I already made some for this exactly. Like I can go test one.
Like you can make your own.
Like I can test it right now. I'm testing my one that I already made. Yeah, you can add noises, you can add pictures, and yeah, all you need to do is customize themes.
This is my first one ever.
Backgrounds. You can pick one of these backgrounds, or if you want, you can just sorry about the music in the background. That's just Mason Bennett. He's making a YouTube video. You can do whatever you really want. I'd choose to add a custom.
As you can tell.
Let's go to this one. Okay, and then after you do that, just go to...
You guys should go check out my Snapchat at
button.
Mason, 4507.
You can pick anyone, I guess. Let's do this. You can do the capacity to make it clear and stuff. I do it to at least there. It already has a noise, but you can add your own noise, so, well, yeah. And then you're going to do letters, what they look like.
Hold on.
For this side, I'm going to do this.
Or
this.
Who did this?
Give sound. Let's do,
And then
I'd say, let's do this.
Also,
it's weird. They just do weird noises.
Thank you guys for
I want to
watching,
do something that has to do with SAO. Guys, yes, I did get a haircut. Let's do SAO. SAO is awesome.
Who's SAO?
It's sorted out online, by the way. Let's do one good. Crow. Okay, you know what? I just want to find one of these. Let's just do a random one. I'm going to pick one, and let's do this one. And then go to here. The effect, you can make when you push it. It already has stuff popping out of it, but you can just do this. Let's go fire. Gonna fire coming out. Bubbles. Emojis. Soccer balls. Do diamonds. Do diamonds. Click this. Click save. Go name your theme. Let's name it SAO weirdness. Yeah, okay, weirdness, SAO weirdness. You don't have to do your email. I will, but not in this video. I'd click save, saving. Here, then you get it. You type in it. I'm going to show you one that I already made. Let's go to this one. I don't even know why it's cats. But this one, I made an emoji one, basically just for this video. Makes a weird noise, does all this, actually has emojis popping out. You can literally just make any type of keyboard that you guys want. So, I'm just saying, guys, just please like, comment, subscribe. Till I see you next time, guys. Bye.